Hello there, friends. Here's Jesse, ready as always to learn about becoming more independent. It looks like he's in the bathroom for today's task. What's something we do in the bathroom? Well, how about taking a shower or bath? It's really important to wash our body, but you can't forget about washing your hair, too. That's what we will talk about today. We will learn how to wash and brush your hair. So, it's important to keep your hair clean by washing it. Washing your hair and your whole body helps to keep you clean and healthy. It's also important to brush your hair, especially if your hair is long, thick, or curly. Brushing your hair keeps it from tangling or getting in knots. Okay, Jesse, are you ready to wash and brush your hair? The first thing you need to do... Oh, that's right. The first thing you need to do is have hair on your head. Jesse does not have much of that, does he? Well, that's okay. This is a good time to meet some of Jesse's friends who have all types of different hair. Since everyone has different hair, each type of hair requires slightly different care. First, pour a dime-sized amount of shampoo into the palm of your hand and rub your hands together. The size of a dime is pretty small because a dime is a small coin. You don't need a lot. Just a little bit of shampoo will spread and become foam when you rub and scrub. Next, scrub your scalp with your fingertips using a side-to-side motion or movement. You shouldn't use a circular motion as this could tangle your hair. If your hair is tangled, that means there are knots and twists in it. Then, rinse the shampoo from your scalp and run your fingers through your hair all the way to the ends. The last step is optional. Some people use conditioner, and some do not. You put conditioner on the ends of your hair, not on your scalp. Ah, a nice clean head of hair feels great. Now, let's look at brushing your hair. First, find the right brush for your hair. If you have thick curly hair, you might need a wide tooth comb or a detangling brush. A detangling brush is designed to get tangles out of your hair. Next, start brushing at the ends of your hair, not at the top of your head. Then, be gentle and use detangling products if you need to. Finally, when the tangles are out, brush down from your scalp all the way to the ends to smooth out your hair. Remember, since everyone's hair is different, your hair care might be different from someone else's. Some people wash their hair every day, some only wash their hair once a week. Some use a brush, some use a comb, and some don't need a brush or comb at all. You should talk to your parents to make a plan for your specific hair care needs. Great work! Jesse learned a lot about hair care, so I think he deserves his Care for Your Hair badge. Remember these skills when you wash or brush your hair so you can earn your badge. See you later! Hey.